outside of Dunbar High School in Lee County with our first Electrathon kickoff training of the school year. It's our first time supporting schools in Southwest Florida. FPL is providing a comprehensive donation. Wires and spokes and down to the nuts and bolts, we've tried to provide everything that a school will need for success on race day. 3, 2, 1, get exploring.
With all the materials that we get, it's like I started thinking about what can I do with that, what should I make, I started to get curious and at the same time excited.
We got everything. FPL is supplying us with everything we need to do to build our first ever electric go-kart.
This is a great program for them to be able to create and design their own vehicles based on engineering principles.
It's a critical element that our students in today's world need because we're in a rapidly changing, transitioning world of high technology.
Honestly, really interesting to see how far we can push ourselves, what we can achieve and accomplish with this. Port Charlotte doesn't really get a whole lot of stuff, so getting stuff here and there, it really means a lot.
It really makes a big difference because a lot of times we can see things that we want to be able to do as educators, but we don't have the money to do that. When someone like FPL comes in and does that, it really makes a big difference for us.
We are just starting to build up a brand new manufacturing program at our school, so this is going to be a big part of it. Career tech, career education, getting students those practical skills that they can take to the workplace.
I was thinking about aeronautical engineering or just design. I'm really into STEM and I would like it to be part of my life in the future.
One of the greatest joys I have working with FPL is the fact that FPL is so committed to our communities and giving back in many ways, not just supplying electricity.